Hello, hello, Aman, hello. So, have you been keeping up with the AI revolution in India? Yeah, yeah, it's crazy how AI is making its mark everywhere. Did you see that new AI driven app for language learning? Absolutely. It's impressive how technology is evolving these days. Do you think India is embracing AI enough? Well, it's growing, but I feel like there is more awareness needed. Some sectors are adopting it fast, but there is still a long way to go for widespread integration. Do you think AI will create more job opportunities or replace traditional jobs? It's a bit of both, I guess. AI might replace some jobs, but it also opens up new possibilities. We need to adapt and learn new skills to stay relevant. Totally agree. By the way, did you hear about that AI startup from Bangalore? They are doing some groundbreaking work. Oh, the one focused on sustainable agriculture? Right? It's awesome to see technology being used for such crucial issues. Exactly. AI has the potential to solve real world problems. By the way, have you heard about this new field called prompt engineering in AI? Prompt engineering? Not really. What's that all about? Sounds intriguing. It's a technique. Yeah, it's a technique where you carefully craft prompts to get desired responses from AI models. Craft prompts? How does that work? Seems like a different approach. Yeah, exactly, Prince. It's about understanding the model's behavior and tweaking prompts for better results. So, it's like guiding the AI to give specific answers by phrasing questions differently. Yes, you have got it. It's all about optimizing the prompts for desired outputs. Sounds like a powerful tool. How does it impact AI world? Well, it can enhance performance, improve accuracy, and make AI systems more adaptable. Fascinating. The world of AI keeps evolving. Maybe I should learn more about this prompt engineering.